Hello everybody, my name is Nick and today I'm going to be showing my 3D Benchy collection that I've been making for a while. I have the regular red one up here, that's a regular size Benchy, all the way down to this giant purple one that I just printed. There's tons of cool things to talk about, so let's get started. Out of all the 3D benches that I've ever printed, this is by far the biggest one that I've made. This I used on the Bambu A2L. This is the largest Benchy that it's able to print. I maxed out the build volume on this printer. It took around 28 hours and almost a full kilogram of filament to print, but I think the print came out amazing. I mean, the print quality is just incredible. So here are all the Benchies that I've been printing lately. So the idea is you go from a large one all the way down to these little microscopic ones. And each time you either decrease or increase the size, you switch colors to a new color, the rainbow. I love this idea of just printing big and small and seeing what you're actually capable of making. And just in case you're wondering, a regular size, just a normal 3D Benchy, is actually the red one. This one is the normal size. So all of these ones are the bigger ones, and all the way down here are the smaller ones. Another really cool thing that I realized when I started doing this project was I really wanted to see, so I have the A1 mini printer, I have the A1, and I have now the A2L, so that's my big printer. This one, this green one, was printed on the A1 mini. This is literally one of the biggest prints that you can do on that machine. Only this big. But the next one, the blue one, is actually the largest on the A1. So this is kind of like the Benchy is supposed to be the benchmark. This is a benchmark of how big you can print on these machines. So you got the green, the blue, and then the purple is the A2L. I didn't realize just how much bigger the A2L was actually gonna print. Once you get up to this level, prints start taking a lot longer. They take a lot more filament. And if I was to go any bigger, I would need a giant 3D printer with a lot of filament, which I do, and I might do another day. So be sure to subscribe and let me know in the comments if you want to see me do that. I'm so scared. It's gonna be a giant red one if I do that, but it's gonna take so long. It's gonna take probably like 2 kilograms of filament. So we'll see if we do that. So this project is what I'm calling the Rainbow Benchy project. It's so fun just to see the level of scale that you're able to achieve on printers. Once you get to the tiny ones, it's really difficult to actually print that small and that detailed and actually have it turn out. But it's really a fun challenge to be able to push the limits of what you're able to print and what you're actually able to make. I love that aspect of 3D printing and just like anything in general, just pushing the limits of what you're able to do. I love that. But with this project, I really just wanted to stop and think and talk with you guys about just the idea of using 3D printing and just in general tools and technologies that allow you to make things you've never been able to make before. I mean, without the A2L, I would not be able to print this big. I mean, that allows me so much leeway in the types of projects and the size and scale that I'm able to make things now. I think you can create anything as long as you have willpower and drive to do it. So now that we have the technology, the ideas, and the ability, we can make anything. So if you want to see more crazy projects like this, be sure to subscribe for more videos. Let me know down in the comments what kind of projects you guys are making and what kind of things you might want to see on this channel. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.